Good morning, students. I welcome you to online computer class. Let us continue our second chapter. GUI Operating System Desktop Management. When we are working with Windows, we can change the appearance and functioning of the computer according to our performance. Some of the customization options include changing the desktop, changing the date or time setting, setting volume of the speaker. Desktop. When we switch on the computer, the first screen that appears just after Windows is loaded is called desktop. We can choose to display our own pictures from Windows Gallery. In 1964, the first desktop screen was seen. Changing the desktop background. Right-click anywhere on desktop and choose Personalize option. Select picture from the background drop-down list. Click a new picture for the background. Decide whether to fill, fit, stretch, tile or center the picture from choose a fit drop-down menu. The desktop wallpaper will change. Let's do this in practical. As you have seen, this is our computer desktop. Right-click anywhere on the blank area on the desktop and choose the Personalize option from the shortcut menu. The personalization settings window opens. Choose picture as the option in the background drop-down list. Click and choose any of the available pictures. We can also click on the Browse button and choose any other picture which is in the computer. Click and choose a suitable option from the Choose a Fit drop-down menu. This is decide the manner in which the picture will be displayed on the desktop. We can choose one of these options such as Fill, Fit, Stretch, Tile, Center and Span. The selected picture is set as the wallpaper. This is our computer's wallpaper. I have changed my desktop background. In other words, this is the wallpaper. Please note the steps for changing the desktop background in your notebook. Date and time setting. Right-click on the clock icon and select the Adjust Date or Time option. The date and time windows will open. Turn off the Set Time Automatically slider by dragging it to the other side. Click on the Change button and adjust the date as well as time. And click on the Change button. Let us do this in practical. Right-click the clock Right-click the clock icon and choose the Adjust Date time option from the shortcut menu. The date and time setting window opens. Turn off the set time automatically slider by dragging it to the left. Click on the change button under the slider. Change date and time section. This displays the change date and time box. Choose the desired settings for date and time and then click on the change button to confirm the changes. Here the date and time of my system is correct. So I am not changing it, but by the following the steps you can easily set the wrong date and time to the current one. Copy in your notebook. Setting the volume of the speaker. Click on the volume icon in the notification area. Simply by dragging the slider towards left or right to decrease or increase the volume level. Let us do this in our practical. Click on the volume icon in the notification area. This displays a slider that can be dragged towards left or right to decrease or increase the volume level. Hope all of you understood this one. Copy in your notebook. Hope you all have got enough knowledge about today's class. Practice these things in your laptop or desktop. After changing the wallpaper, click the image of your desktop and send to me in WhatsApp number. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.